Hi girls, today I will introduce you some new strip lashes which if you are interested you will be able to get through Signe. She will be able to tell you about pricing and everything. So why we started to work with these ones now and why we started to check these ones out, it's because people usually they don't like strip lashes, but this is not like a simple you glue it and it will be a nightmare to remove, because this one is actually almost like a magnetic, but it's not. So you use only eyeliner and basically this is your glue. So it's really good. Yesterday I tried already and I got a lot of samples from Sina now. And even two more there. So we have some like more dramatic ones, we have some more natural ones, which we are really interested, like what you would be interested in first of all. So if you are curious how they look on the eye, you can ask Signe, because I sent from all of them pictures for her. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna introduce today for you. Today I will go for some, not this one. I want to go today for some natural one. Not this two, they are like this space. So I'm thinking like on M01 or M24. I think I will put M1. Okay, so for this one you will need this one, eyeliner, same glue. You will need something like this to catch the lashes, but I will show you even like how is it like without to put, because it's not really necessary. And mascara. I like to use mascara with it because now my lashes are really blonde and I didn't even dye them, so it's blondie. Okay, so the M1, which already a lot of you liked on a story on Instagram, was this one, or maybe the 24, but anyways it's natural. So you open this box like this. When first time I saw it I almost broke it because I didn't know. Let's put quickly eyeliner on. You put it like a normal eyeliner. This is a very good formula and it's not gonna come off in pieces after a while, and you don't have to like remake the line after a few hours wearing the lashes. And yesterday I tried for a few hours. It was the strip on me for a few hours and it was holding really well. So my bed is on my way. Pull the line. Sorry if you can't see how I pull my line, but my bed is on my way. Okay, well, I did not Oh, sorry for the lights, by the way. I did not pull a perfect line, but you can do better maybe the lines than me. It's just up to you how good you are in it. Pull the wing for it a little bit. When you touch it, it's gonna be a little bit like tacky, but it's okay because this is your glue at the same time. Okay. It's, for me, it's not really looks the same, which I could correct a little bit, but I don't want to take my time to make a long video now. So the point is, you apply this one, you correct it with like micellar water, like ear pads if you want to, and after that keep pulling the lines so it works like a normal eyeliner. And after that, grab your lashes. Well, I used to put mascara with it when the lashes are on already, because I know how I have to brush my lashes, like how up I tried to push after. So I will put after the mascara. You could put before, but it's not blending together with the strip then. Okay, let's try to... Okay, so this is for my... I like to move the strip like this, like because it was so straight, and it will catch a little bit on eye form. And the trick, from the inner corner to the outer. In the inner corner I am always using my nails, my finger, because it's always easier. And already I'm not using that much the clip because I'm not used to it that much. So if your placement wasn't good at the first time, simply is not how you want it to place, take it off, put again, easy. Of course, and with this one, if you keep pulling it off, put it back, pulling it off and put it back, the eyeliner will come off from your eyes. In this case, just pull back a little bit, like draw it back a little bit. And this one I'm not gonna, the other eye I'm not gonna use at all that tweezer at all, or like clip. So basically, if I can see what am I doing on the camera, well, I don't see what I'm doing on the camera. and it's perfectly on, which is not that seeable as I see on the camera, because it's a really a natural one, and my lights are not the best in the room, so sorry for that. Should I maybe put a little bit more dramatic and it would be more seeable? Let's try another one. Easy, very easy. Okay. As I see already it came off some eyeliner, shouldn't keep changing it. Just drawing it back a little bit. It's good because you don't have to wait for it to get dry for like 30 seconds or half an hour, whatever, but you have to wait with usually the strip glues, so it's drying really fast. And this is very stubborn. Okay. It's everywhere on. Little bit of a cat eye. I really love this one. Mascara. I don't want to put too much. It's blending together very well with the strip lashes. Of course, you can put some on the strip as well. In this case, you can't wait to not get anything on the strip. And if you put mascara on the strip lashes, it will make it look thicker. Who wants like a little bit more drama? It's a really good one. This mascara. A little bit mascara on the strip as well. You can put, as I said, till the end. Oops, a little mascara on my skin. I will put some on the under one. This one could be a quick makeup routine as well. So as you see, I had nothing on my eyes, and now I have eyeliner, I have lashes. I'm so happy. Bye.